Hi everyone. Today I'll show you a quick trick to find the contact information, address, email, and phone number of any seller on Temu. Let's get started. Open Temu. Open the app and make sure you're logged in. Select item. Click on the product you need to inquire about. For example, these car air fresheners. This will take you to the item page. Identify the seller. On the product page, look for the section that says sold by merchant name. This name or associated profile picture will be on the right. Access the profile. Click on the seller's profile picture or the merchant's name. This will take you to their store's main page. Pop-up window. Once on the seller's page, click again on their store's profile picture. Store information. A pop-up window will appear with crucial information, such as the address, email, and a phone number to contact them. It's that easy to contact a seller on Temu. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.